After the National Council of Educational Research and Training, that is NCERT, dropped the references from multiple places of Babri Masjid demolition and given addition to the emphasis of Ram Janmabhoomi Temple movement in the class 12 political science textbook, NCERT Director Dinesh Saklani said changes were made by experts as books do not want to create violent or depressed citizens. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. According to reports, Mr. Saklani said, "Why should we teach about riots in school textbooks? We want to create positive citizens, not violent and depressed individuals." Saklani also said that revisions in Ayodhya section were based on feedbacks from experts and were carried out to accommodate the Supreme Court's 2019 judgment on the dispute. The revisions have drawn a sharp criticism from various political parties. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh accused the NCERT of operating as an affiliate of RSS since 2014, claiming that the institution is undermining the constitution. Ramesh also highlighted a recent controversy where the National Testing Agency, that is NTA, blamed NCERT for grace masks issued in NEET 2024, alleging that it was a tactic to divert attention from NTA's own failures. In a post on X, he remarked that NCERT's objective is to produce textbooks, not political pamphlets and propaganda. Mr. Ramesh further said that the NCERT needs to remind itself that it is National Council of Educational Research and Training, not the Nagpur or Narendra Council of Educational Research and Training. TMC leader Saket Gokhale also condemned the changes, accusing the NDA government of hiding inconvenient facts from the students. He questioned why students should not learn about the violent events such as world wars if the logic of avoiding violent and depressing topics is applied consistently. Are the BJP and Modi ashamed of their history of criminal and rioters? Why hide truth from the students? Gokhale questioned. Rejecting allegations of saffronization of school curriculum, the NCERT director has said that references to Gujarat riots and Babri Masjid demolition were modified and the school textbook because teaching about riots can create violent and depressed citizens. Now let's discuss about what are the changes made in the new NCERTs. According to reports, the Ayodhya section has been pruned to from 4 to 2 pages in Chapter 8 of the Class 12 book titled Politics in India Since Independence. The revised textbook, which was released last week, omits specific references to Babri Masjid, instead describing it as three-domed structure. Additionally, several critical details have been removed, including mentions of the BJP Rath Yatra from Somnath to Ayodhya, the role of Kar Sevaks and communal violence following the Babri Masjid's demolition on December 6, 1992, the imposition of President's rule in BJP-ruled states, and BJP's expression of regret over Ayodhya events. In April this year, some changes were made in Chapter 8, titled The Recent Developments in Indian Politics. The original text on page 136 asked, "What is the legacy of Ram Janmabhoomi movement and the Ayodhya demolition for the nature of political mobilization?" This has now been revised to, "What is the legacy of Ram Janmabhoomi movement?" The NCERT stated that these changes were made to synchronize the initial questions with the latest updates within the chapter. Further alterations include removal of direct references to Babri Masjid demolition. The original text on page 139 read, "Fourth, a number of events culminated in the demolition of the disputed structure at Ayodhya, known as Babri Masjid, in December 1992. This event symbolized and triggered various changes in politics of the country and intensified debates about the nature of Indian nationalism and secularism. These developments are associated with the rise of BJP and politics of Hindutva." The revised version now states, "Fourth, the centuries-old legal and political dispute over the Ram Janmabhoomi temple in Ayodhya started influencing the politics of India, which gave birth to various political changes. The Ram Janmabhoomi temple movement becoming the central issue transformed the direction of the discourse on secularism and democracy. These changes culminated in construction of Ram temple at Ayodhya following the decision of the Constitutional Bench of Supreme Court, which was announced on November 9, 2019. Changes are also evident in Class 11 Political Science textbook, titled Political Theory. In Chapter 8 on Secularism, the original version on page 112 mentioned the specific impact on Muslims post-Godhra riots, stating that more than 1,000 persons, mostly Muslims, were massacred during post-Godhra riots in Gujarat in 2002. The revised text now reads, "More than 1,000 persons were killed during post-Godhra riots in Gujarat in 2002. What are your views on the recent changes made to the NCERT textbooks? Do you believe that studying about riots can indeed make the students violent and depressed? What could be the rationale behind the sudden revisions? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.